Not just a museum piece locked away in a hall, not just vintage metal posing still for all. In marathon skies where the trade winds rise, the Vultee BT 13A Valiant still flies. Cadets once climbed into that rumbling frame, learning stall and spin, earning wings, earning name. No luxury, no lies, just grit and steel. The Valiant taught what it means to feel. Nicknamed the vibrator with unshakable pride, those who trained in her never forgot the ride. Fire in the belly, heart in the climb, a relic that outruns even time. Salt on the wind, sun in its eyes. The BT 13